Ito na po yung final cake na ginawa ko for 3 days. It's a Greatest Showman theme cake. 3 araw kong pinagpuyatan yan. As you all know, I'm a hobby baker, and last November, my boss asked me a favor. He wanted me to make a wedding cake for his friend. And here's the catch. The theme of the wedding is Greatest Showman. It's like a circus theme with loads of white, red, and black. You know what I mean. So I took the challenge and he supported me with my ideas. The place of the event is in Nottingham, so it's really challenging on how they're going to transport the cake without damaging it. The cake is going to travel for 2 hours and I need to make sure that they won't have a hard time putting it together. What you see here is made of sugar paste and wafer paper printed with the famous lines from that film. It is all edible, so you can eat what you see. So I made the cake in 3 days. I made it on time. And I attached some stuff in this cake that's not edible. And overall, I think it's pretty. And I made the newlyweds so happy. Hello. Ito na po yung final cake na ginawa ko for 3 days. It's a Greatest Showman theme cake. 3 araw kong pinagpuyatan yan. Ayan, sana satisfied siya. I hope my boss is really happy with this. Salamat! And that's it. The cake has arrived to the location very safely and my boss is really happy with it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!
3, 2, 1 啊了，啊的，啊哼，我